Painted mountain corn is just so gorgeous. I never quite get over how beautiful it is. And every time I see it, I just think that God's creation is stunning. So, with no small amount of joy, we are going to use our hand grinder to turn these beautiful kernels into a soft and gorgeous flour for a pie crust today, a naturally gluten-free pie crust. And since it's naturally gluten-free, a thing to remember is you will not end up with a tough crust by overworking it. It's going to be tender and crumbly pretty much no matter what. Look at that flour. It really does have an amazing light and fluffy texture. It is not cornmeal. So we're going to massage our room temperature butter in just until it's all pretty well incorporated and even. Now we're going to use some raw apple cider vinegar, just enough to bring that dough together so that it starts sticking together and holding its shape. Now we just are going to shape it a little bit and then put it in the refrigerator. So I like to make a pretty thin disc here, about 1/4 inch is my goal. And I want to just press it together so there's no cracks and it's a really solid disc. You could saran wrap it at this point, but I like to put it in a gallon Ziploc bag because then it's really easy to reuse and I'm not throwing away cling wrap all the time. All right, it's been in the fridge for about an hour and it's stunning. We're just gonna roll it out and get to making pie. I'm filling it with a apple butter today, and it's delicious. Just crimp the edges together, score the tops, bake, and enjoy.